Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So guys, there is a point that I need to actually address, and something that has been happening a lot ever since Shibarium came out. People are talking about like different things, and one of the things that everybody is saying and almost like putting it as a question for me to respond is okay, should I just sell all my Shiba Inu for Bone? Now guys, it's really hard for me to just tell you what to do, because then obviously you're going to regard it as financial advice, and I don't want to be in that position. Okay, I want to kind of give you the opportunities, present them to you, show you what is going on, what you could potentially possibly do, but I don't want it to be in a way where you guys are taking some decisions and that may result in some problems or whatever. So listen, Shiba Inu is obviously a long-term project. I have said it in every single video ever since I started this YouTube channel. I've talked about this, made it very, very clear. Guys, you have to be aware of the fact that Shiba Inu, okay, is gonna take a while, because a lot of it will have to be burnt, eliminated from circulation. Those zeros will need to be destroyed for there to be a realistic market cap, okay? And some of you kind of, you can't come in terms with this, okay? So a lot of you are thinking, well, the next, good investment would be Bone, okay? Because Bone is the gas token. Bone is going to be used in every single Shibarium transaction. And you know what, guys? I agree. Bone is definitely, the investment, the return that you're going to see the quickest, in my opinion, out of the three. Because Leash, I think, is always gonna kind of follow the trend, and a Bone is gonna have this massive impact. It probably will be the first one to really pop strong. But again, to give up everything for Bone, I don't know. It's all up to you. It depends on how much money you have, how much you have invested, what you're expecting, what are your goals, visions. Because there will be a point where Shiba Inu makes a ton of money. You could, actually create even bigger returns, because eliminating those zeros is definitely different than having Bone floating around $1 and trying to hit 100, because that would be about 100x. But if you were to eliminate, say for example, 3 zeros, 4 zeros, that's a crazy return, okay? That's an insane return, and we've seen what happened back in 2021. Crazy stuff. So you got to be aware, and you got to be ready for everything that could be happening. You got to open your eyes for the potential here, and we could be going very, very far. But you got to be ready with your bags. So really take into account, what exactly are you looking for. If you're looking for kind of more of a short-term type of return, maybe I would even in some point say more of a guaranteed return, then Bone definitely is the thing, because it's a gas token, okay? Like it or hate it, it's gonna have to be utilized. People are staking it, so there's a lot going on. Exchanges still haven't listed it. We still didn't see the full social media hype, so definitely is going to be showing the full potential of it. And also, Bone is still waiting to break out of its $3 mark. I mean, if I was to can't open up the max chart, it's a bit annoying, because you always see it very flat because it came out at a very high price. But if I was to open up a year, guys, we're going in waves, okay? Wave. Is it going to go up? Of course, according to the technical analysis, according to fundamental analysis, everything indicates for it to go up. Simple as that. This area is an area of panic. I mean, guys, we were around this area and we did panic. It did take us like 2 months to break out of it, and back then as well, around that period of time. So I think maybe a month or 2 months. Depending, we could be in the same area, but again, I'm not 100% sure. And then we could break out. So if you are looking to sell your Shiba Inu, then you should be 100% kind of concentrate on the fact that you are here just for short term, and you would be willing to walk away with more of a kind of a realistic return, rather than, you know, with Shiba Inu, you just never know. I mean, one day it could just reach 1 cent, everything gets burned, we have some crazy bull run. Everything is possible with it, okay? So you be wise with how you want to manage your bags. But what I'm seeing currently as well is a lot of people are going in very hard with Bone and then just leaving a little bit for Shiba Inu, you know, just so they have that kind of a what if scenario. And that money will be compensated from the returns that they get from Bone or Leash as well. So plan out a good strategy. But everyone is going hard on Bone, okay? And they're DCAing Bone, and we're going to get a lot of whales coming in. So I think a lot of money is going to be pouring in for sure. So are you ready for this? You know, think it through and plan out something, because the big issue as well that people are having is that they just can't cope with negative, you know, prices. They can't cope with the fact that they still haven't seen a return. So if you psychologically are like not very stable, then I think Bone is a better decision for sure, okay? Because you are going to see the returns, like it, hate it, but they are going to come for sure. So make up your mind. Don't really go by, you know, just what one person says. Just look at what you have going on in your life overall, and then you can make that decision, okay? I'm talking about things like, you know, your investment capabilities, how long you're willing to wait, how badly you need the money, what are you expecting, your psychological state, and, you know, if you say, hey, I want to sell my Shiba Inu, just buy Bone, then let it be so, because you've already made that decision, so you must be happy, you've seen more potential in it. Simple as that, okay? But yeah, a lot of people are definitely looking for some validation or justification, whatever it is. So as of now, what can I say? As things are progressing, as we are getting more money pouring in, as we are waiting for that bullish market, as we are also waiting for more people, you know, to stake, so we take it out of the supply, circulating supply. I think once, you know, time passes, progresses, we're pumping, we're going to see some nice prices for sure. But as of now, guys, what can I say? Very grateful for being part of this journey, for you guys joining, showing the interest, the love, likes, all that stuff is good, so carry on. Make sure your notifications bell is on, make sure you subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment down below, let me know how you feel, what you're doing. So all that great stuff really does matter. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.